Hello everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to deploy an Amazon Connect instance. So on your console, I'll just search for Amazon Connect. And on this page, what I'm going to do is to proceed to add an instance. So I'll click on add instance. So in creating Amazon Connect instance, one of the key things you look at is your identity management. Identity management is basically how you are going to manage your users in your Amazon Connect instance or in your Amazon Connect contact center. There are three ways you can do that. First is to store your users in Amazon Connect itself. So basically, when you select that option, all your user management, that is creating of the users and everything, will be stored securely in Amazon Connect itself. So you can link to an existing directory. If you have any active directory in your AWS account or any existing native directories, you can connect that to, or you can use a SAML 2.0 based authentication. It's basically you just connecting to other directory services using the SAML 2.0. In our demo, we are going to basically store our users in Amazon Connect instance. So I'm going to name my instance Tech with Kobina Demo. So this is my instance, and I'll click on next. Because I'm storing my users in Amazon Connect itself, I'm required to either set an administrator or not. I'm going to proceed to set that. I'm going to call my administrator Kobina. The last name, I'm going to call it admin. Username for this is going to be admin. And once you're done, you click on next. So basically, on this page, what you do is you enable your telephony options. Basically, what this means is, are you allowing incoming calls or you are not going to allow that? When you say incoming calls in Amazon Connect, it's basically people calling in. That is people phoning into your call center. And outbound calls are calls leaving your Amazon Connect system. So these are just the basic explanation. Click on next. Leave everything as default for now. Then I'll click on next. And then I'll wait to create my instance. Alright, so now our instance has been created successfully. I'm quickly going to log into that. So I'll click on my instance. And there are two ways. It's either I use the credentials I created or I can log in using the emergency access. So I'm going to use the credentials. And there we have it. I've successfully logged into my Amazon Connect instance. So this is how simply you can create your Amazon Connect instance. You can then proceed to play with it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.